Hello everyone, my name is Arun. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Python in your Windows machine. So to install the Python in your Windows machine, we need to download the Python installer first. Go to Google and type Python and click the first link. It will redirect you to the python.org. So go to the download section and select the platform for which you are going to install. So I'm selecting Windows and download the recent Python version. Here it is Python 3.8.5. Once the download is completed, execute the installer. So in the welcome message, if you want to add Python 3.8 to the path, you can select the checkbox. Else you can just click the install now. So it will install the Python 8 right now. So it is installing all the libraries, etc. It will take a while to complete the installation. Okay, now the installation is completed. You can see here the setup was successful and you can close the dialog box. So if after that, if you want to open the Python, you have to go to start and select IDLE. It will open up the Python shell. Here you can type your Python code and execute it. Right now I'm going to show you how to print a message in Python. So I'm going to type print, open parenthesis, quotes, welcome to Python, and I'm going to execute it by pressing enter. So it will give you the output. You can also add or do any mathematical operations right now. So you 2/3, it will give you 0.66. Yeah, that's it. This is how you can install Python in your Windows machine.